Simon and Schuster sale to affect manga distribution. Publishers company Simon and Schuster, previously owned by Viacom CBS, will be sold to Penguin Random House for a little over $2 billion. It was reported today. What does it mean for manga exactly? A lot. Potentially, SNS distributes manga released by V-Speed Manga. Meanwhile, Penguin Random House distributes manga by 7 Seas, Kodansha USA, Square Enix Manga and Books, Dark Horse Comics, and Vertical. All these companies will have come under one distribution roof. So what? For analysis, we turn to a thread by Ed Chavez, formerly Vertical, and now the big boss over at Denpa. Chavez describes the coming situation as a mega monopoly. It says big flooding is on the way. Well, so with SNS being sold to RH, Manga Distro has a mega monopoly going. RH now distros Kodansha, Square Enix, 7 Seas, potentially V's, Vertical, the only pops left, Yen, Hachete, Denpa, Concentrum, J-Novel, and One Piece. Big flooding with the market coming. Chavez says where there are more distributors, there are more chances for sellers to pitch various books to various retailers, which is one giant distro, and therefore just one marketing person or team representing a huge chunk of the market. There are fewer pitch meetings. Those meetings mostly focus on what sells or what pubs hope will sell. Anything else gets left to fend on its own. In other words, fewer pitch meetings means fewer chances to talk up interesting niche titles. Sure, there are still online retailers and reviews, but many consumers still discover unique manga they would otherwise by physically browsing the shelves. With the flattening, we may see bestsellers dominate the shelves and interesting niche titles disappear. We have to wait to see if this turns out to be the case next year when the Simon and Schuster sale is expected to be completed.